Hey there! Welcome to our free financial resources and education page from Know Your Numbers Accounting. Fun fact: contrary to popular belief, the word accounting does not come from a Greek root word meaning so boring it could put you to sleep in the middle of an earthquake. But unfortunately, that's the rap it gets. Accounting is built from a bunch of numbers, like Sudoku, but not fun. As a small business owner, you may have even fallen into this trap of thinking accounting is boring. And that's a shame, because accounting is the lifeblood of business. All businesses, of all sizes, require timely and accurate accounting. The fact is, trying to run a small business without at least a little bit of accounting knowledge is like trying to go on a road trip without GPS. You can do it, sure. But do you really know where you're going or where you've been? Even if you've mapped out your route beforehand, it's not 1985 anymore. Knowing exactly where you are, every step of the way, is the key to not getting lost. If you don't understand your financial statements and how they can be used to steer your business decisions, you're going to end up with a broken down car on the side of the highway, eaten by bears. Well, it's possible. That's why we at Know Your Numbers Accounting have created this resources and education page. Most small business owners simply don't start out with the information and financial savvy they need to thrive. If you're a business owner who gets overwhelmed by their finances, you've come to the right place, and we're here to help. In these videos, we'll break down the terminology and ratios you'll find on your financial statements into easily digestible snippets. In understanding what you're looking at, you'll gain deeper insight into how your business is really doing, whether you're achieving your goals, and how to make a U-turn if you've lost your way. So when you're driving around in the dark, trying to figure out where to steer your small business, we're here to be your headlights, your GPS, and your travel guide. At Know Your Numbers Accounting, the name is the game. We want to be more than your accountants. We want to make sure you understand your numbers so you can make smart, informed business decisions and avoid being eaten by bears.